Team Disc Online is a great way for your team to experience everything Disc, as well as explore the Catalyst platform. It starts with an assessment. The assessment takes around about 20 minutes, so each person would be sent a code beforehand. And then we will set up a 2-hour workshop. The workshop will be done on Microsoft Teams or similar. And we basically start with leading yourself, then leading others, then leading the business. The idea is that we give everyone an understanding of their style, of everyone else's style, and how that works as a team and the interconnections between our personalities. The Catalyst platform connects it all together and makes it really interactive, and is an ongoing tool that you get access to from the start of the workshop or when you do the assessment, ongoing. A big part of the process is for us to map your team on the Disc tool. And once we have all that data, we can create the team map, which gives you a series of, I guess, quick reference guides. So you can look at the styles and the working ways of working for each of those individuals within your team. That leads you to working with others or leading others. Leading others, or the comparison tool, is like having a user manual for each different person on your team. So you click on that person and it will match your profiles together, and then it will take you through a series of continua to see how you compare. At the bottom of that, there's a block, and it'll say sort of collaborating, getting buy-in, managing tension. You can click and it's kind of like getting advice on how to do different things with different people. The leading the business or leading teams element is the Catalyst groups, and that's where you can make groups of up to 25 individuals and then have them mapped out in a continuum. Really good for communication, setting up new teams, really good for decision making and communicating clearly. The idea is that you build up a bit of an org within Catalyst, and it becomes like a bit of a tool which you're using for team dynamics on the regular. So if you do want to explore high performance, Team Disc Online is a fantastic way to kick off that process with working styles and ways of working.